Veg pepper Maggi. First we need to boil the noodles. For that I'm going to add water. Once the water starts to boil, add Maggi. Add 2 spoons of oil. Boil this for a minute, not more than that. Switch off the flame and drain the excess water. Add a spoon of oil and give it a mix. Remove this in a plate and keep this aside. Add little oil to the pan. Add sliced onion. Add carrot. Add cabbage. Sweet corn. Add crushed black pepper. Add chili garlic sauce. Add soya sauce. Little tomato sauce. Mix this. Little red chili powder. If you have green chili paste, you can use that. Add this tastemaker. Give this a mix. Add this noodles. Cabbage. So this is done and now we can serve this. So here the pepper Maggi veg noodles is ready, and in case if you have liked this video, do subscribe to Anagha recipes. Thank you.